But in a quiet village, a young boy named Arhan dreamed of becoming a great runner. But Arhan was born with weak legs. Every time he tried to run, he stumbled, and the other kids would laugh. One day, a big race was announced. Arhan signed up, ignoring the whispers and doubts. On race day, as the whistle blew, Arhan pushed off, but fell within the first few steps. The crowd laughed. He got up, ran a few more meters, and fell again. But with every fall, he remembered, you only lose when you stop trying. His father's voice cut through the noise. Run to show them you cannot be broken. Those words ignited a fire in him. He got up again, moving slowly but with unstoppable will. The other runners had long finished, but Arhan kept going, crossing the finish line last, but with tears of victory. He had defeated every limit,